talking about open houses today. And the big thing is, where do you find them? The Duluth News Tribune has great advertising, and also many of the local websites. You could go to js-realty.com, and then anywhere else, Zillow.com, Realtor.com, and they should have the addresses and the times.
So the first thing when you get to the open house, the agents are typically going to ask you to sign in on their sign-in sheet. So please do that if you're working with a real estate agent. It's not a big deal, but make sure and let the agent know. And one thing also to not be surprised about is if a real estate agent offers you a form that's called Agency Relationships and Real Estate Transactions. It's Minnesota law, so hopefully they can explain to you how real estate agents work.
As you get through the home or to the home, please remove your shoes. If you've got children with you, take them by the hand. We want to be really respectful of the personal property that the seller has, but also don't want to mess up their house. So look carefully. If you want to see this house for a second time, call your agent and they'll make an appointment so that you can go through slowly without other people around.
And lastly, give the agent your opinion of the home. And if you want it, buy it. Call JS Realty too.